Do you know what this is? This came from Adam the Woo. That's pretty awesome. This is my self-addressed stamped envelope that I sent to Adam the Woo, and he sent me back something from Celebration, Florida, from the Celebration Post Office. His very own envelope. This is Adam's envelope. And there he is, Adam the Woo. Oh my goodness. I am freaking out right now, people. Oh, isn't that awesome? Adam the Woo Video Adventures. Where in the world is Adam the Woo? I think he's at a baseball game right now, I think. But there you go. Thank you, Adam. Thank you. Very, very much.